Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime. For this evening, I am Diani. Reggae Sumfest is set to go with conscious music for 2023. CEO of Dancehall Records and Chairman of SunFest, Joe Bogdanovich, made the reveal to E-Prime at the recently held intimate concert in St. Anne.
I think that, the way the scales flip from left to right, I think we'll be tipping it a lot more to reggae music and the kind of socially conscious, dancehall kind of thing. And, we have our lineup pretty much booked right now. I can't say anything yet, but it's going to be awesome.
SunFest last year attracted near to 17,000 patrons at its location in the second city. There are, however, whispers of the show moving to Plantation Cove in St. Anne. This is yet to be confirmed by Joe. On the label side, Joe, who was supporting Diani at the event, added that Dancehall Records had secured work permits for its newest sensations, Diani and Marcy Chin.
Both have a U.S. 3-year work permit, which came in December, so that's going to be a big change because they'll be able to start working in the U.S. And that means all the promotions that we're doing internationally in the U.S. and everywhere, it means that now we maybe can make it pay off. And it's really a great privilege to have Diani on this massive best show, I think, of the season. And it shows the artist what it takes, to have real substance out there, because these artists that are on this show are bona fide artists that worked their way up and went up the ups and downs and kept it together and had good teams. And just to hear, singing up there doing what he does, it's just so refreshing.
Gramps Morgan is in the island on the heels of his Grammy consideration in the country music category for his album Desire. Gramps, who shared the stage with Woodja Bantanet Intimate, told E-Prime about his country music and reggae fusion.
It wasn't a full country album. It was a kind of bring Jamaican culture and country music. Jamaicans love country music. That's evident. Kenny Rogers came here years ago, so it's a thing where I kind of just showing the love of the Jamaican people to show them, say, we Jamaican, we love multi-genres of music, whether it's hip-hop, whether it's R&B, gospel, we love music overall.
Grams hinted at a Christmas album for 2023.
Probably working on a Christmas album for next year, but it has to be done right, so we're taking with time. I dropped one of the singles earlier, just talking about what Christmas is like in the islands, especially Jamaica, when sorrel are run and fish are fry and the festive energy. Yeah, there's nowhere like celebrating the spirit of Christ and the birth of Christ in Jamaica. It's different in America, it's different in Canada, but it's something special.
Now it's the last event. After 3 years of non-stop partying on air, Fame Frequency closes out this weekend with the Last. The all-white event is open to partygoers and is set for this Saturday at the Sports Club right here at 32 Lindis Road. So come on out for the full house of DJs, King Taj, Narity, Arif Cooper, Donovan Dakers, and The Savior, along with Jenny, Talia Presky, and Jenna C. Fully powered, of course, by Smirnoff Vodka. Must be 18 and over to party at Fame Frequency's Last. I'm Diani with E-Prime. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the weekend.